Hi, I'm Deborah Shapiro, and I'm a collage artist. I make my art by going through magazines, ripping them up into little pieces, and then pasting them together to create my art. I don't use any paint in my artwork. I've put together an advanced class where you're going to learn some techniques, and you're going to learn how I put together these collages, so that by the end of it you'll be able to make your own pet collage, or you could use any animal that you would like. In this course, I'm going to cover the different styles that will help you guide you as you make your collage. We're going to talk about how to transfer your image or your drawing onto your canvas. And then I'm going to take you through all the steps from the very start to the very end of putting together your collage. And we'll focus in on the eyes and the nose and using objects in your artwork. And finally, I'll show you how I finish and protect my collages. This course is designed for someone that already has experience using magazines or paper in their artwork, or if you've taken my intro class where I cover all the basics. If you'd like to learn more, check out my class and watch some of the free previews.